So, welcome my friends. This video is currently specialized and arranged for Iraq. Why Iraq? Iraq has special conditions in itself, and I was there in Erbil, Süleymaniye, Kerkük for 1 week for the Erbil exhibition, and it was a very pleasant times for me to be there. And we checked out to the market what we can do. So first of all, let's start who we are. We are Brava company. We are in the market over 25 years, and we are working in this area as a special R&D company. What is R&D company? Is customer-oriented company. It means that we care about you. Not the other companies do care about you like us do. We mostly check the environmental conditions, fuel conditions, geographical conditions, traffic conditions and everything, and try to give the very best for the customers. North Iraq, what we solve is in Erbil that there are too many high-quality, latest technology, very powerful cars like as Lincoln, GMC, Nissan, Toyota, high-torque, high-power cars. But what is missing there? The air condition, the temperature conditions are very tough. So 50 Celsius like this in the summer, and the roads are very dusty. And on the other hand, the biggest problem is the fuel. Why fuel is so important? Because up to now, the education and the database, what we have, the most important thing for the lubricant life. So lubricant life means that engine life. Also, is the fuel quality. The fuel quality, especially in the northern Iraq, is very bad. As you know, the gasoline quality is too bad. The diesel is much more bad. So that's why you face many problems with the injectors and engines. And that's why you change the oil every 5,000, very short kilometers, because in a short period of time, unburned particles of the bad fuel will mix with the engine oil, and it makes the engine oil life very short. If you don't change, you know that the turbo problem there will be, engine problem there will be, and too many costs you will face. So with our products, we have a great solutions for you, and they are very cheap. First of all, the biggest solution is our fuel additive technology. This T1 fuel additive technology is very cheap. How much you pay, it makes the fuel saving, and much more you can get back. So one piece is enough for 60 liter fuel. So when you consider, if you use continuously this product, what extras it will make for you is, it saves fuel like as 10-15%. That means that 60 liters, it is 6 or 9 liter fuel saving, and it is about $6 or $10 payback. The cost of the product we recommend in the market is around $6, the retail price. So the customer do not pay money, pay back money. What else benefits it comes much more than the fuel saving is, it increases the quality of the fuel and regulates the quality of the fuel, and side effects, it protects the fuel system, injectors and engine, and also because that it makes the fuel burn better, so the unburned particles, let's say 80% decrease, and that means that your engine oil will get stronger and keep better for longer periods. So we recommend to use this product for you if you are living in northern Iraq or Iraq. So by using this, you will get extra kilometer, extra fuel saving, extra performance. And another problem, because of the bad fuel, you will get knocking problem, because irregular fuel cannot burn very well. So the car system cannot burn it very well. It works improperly. So you will face uncomfortable conditions of unknocking. So it will decrease knocking problem. So you don't need to use and pay a lot of money for the octane boosters and just try to increase octane. So it will makes higher octane levels, and it will also do much better for you, like as fuel saving and also protecting the fuel system and cleaning, and it will increase the life of engine oil. So this is crazy important for all of us, and it will make your life greater and make you gain much more comfort and happiness from your car. On the other hand, what we introduce you is, again, very dramatic, high quality product is our engine oil additives. So why they are important is that even that very harsh extreme conditions like temperatures, and even that your engine oil will break down, there will be problem with the metal surfaces and turbo. In these conditions, this product will make a nanotechnology lubricating film, and it is 5 or 10 times stronger than the steel or metal. So it will protect the whole system against every problem. Think that you are on the way and going, some problems happen in your car, like as your oil pump can be broken, your oil filter can be problem, or your water pump can be problem, or water hoses can get out. So in these conditions, this will not let the system dramatically affected too much. So with a negligible problem, you can overcome the problem and you can pay very little repair cost and continue your life. So other thing that this build product make, it saves fuel. When you use it, because it makes the friction level very less and it makes the compression much better with the car, it also saves fuel and increase the horsepower. And another thing is that it makes the oil life increase. Because you know why the oil get broken? We told because of the fuel quality, and another problem because of the high heat and low heat, the stress on the engine oil, it will break down the engine life. So because it makes the friction level much less, it also decreases the oil temperature up to 10 Celsius. So it will increase the engine oil life by decreasing the stress and the friction on engine oil. So we recommend you to use this product. This is for 3 to 5 liter engine oil, and this is up to 10 liter engine oil in every machine, like as cars, trucks, tractors, construction machineries. Everywhere you can easily, confidently use this, and you can protect your system, and you will not face repair problems like as you are facing currently. And on the other hand, what we did is we have special engine oil qualities for you, specially designed for very extreme harsh conditions like you have. This will specially designed and over the above standards of the worldwide. So they are promising you to protect much better, and they are promising you to solve the engine oil consumption problems in your cars. If you are facing engine oil consumption problems, if you are facing injector problems, if you are facing trembling problems, turbo problems, please try Brava products and see the difference before and after. You cannot change your country, you cannot bring very high quality fuel for you, you cannot decrease your outside temperature and other conditions, but using Brava products, you will be confident and you will not affect it like us, like as other guys. So we recommend you to check Brava products on brava.com.tr, and we have a whole range of products, not just these products. You can rely on our products and use them and get much more than what you are getting from others. We are inviting you to visit our webpage. We are inviting to use our products, and we are inviting you to get much better than what you deserve currently. Thank you.